Welcome to this yoga video on advanced asanas for strength and balance. In this video, we will be practicing a series of poses that will challenge your strength and balance and help to improve both. These poses are considered advanced and should only be attempted by those with a good level of experience and knowledge about yoga and your own body's capabilities. Remember to listen to your body, use modifications as needed, and make sure you are in good physical condition before attempting these asanas. But why is it important to focus on strength and balance in our yoga practice? Strong muscles and good balance help to protect our joints and reduce the risk of injury. It can also improve our overall physical performance, including the ability to move with ease, flexibility, and endurance. Additionally, balancing poses can help to improve our focus and concentration and increase our sense of inner stability. Now, let's get started with the first asana, the crane pose or Bakasana. Start in a low squat position with your knees bent and your heels lifted off the ground. Bring your arms forward and place your hands on the ground about shoulder width apart. Press down into your hands and lift your hips so your feet come off the ground. Come onto the balls of your feet and engage your core to maintain balance. Keep your gaze forward and hold this pose for 5 to 10 breaths, then release and take a break before moving on to the next pose. The second asana we will practice is the one-legged King Pigeon Pose or Eka Pada Raja Kapotasana. Start in downward dog and step your right foot forward between your hands. Lower your right knee to the ground and bring your right hand to the inside of your right foot. Reach back with your left hand and take hold of your left ankle. Your left leg should be extended behind you, with the top of your foot on the ground. Inhale and lift your chest, lengthening your spine. Hold this pose for 5 to 10 breaths, then release and repeat on the other side. The third asana we will practice is the handstand or Adho Mukha Vrksasana. Come into downward dog and walk your feet towards your hands. Then, lift one leg up and kick up into a handstand. Keep your gaze forward and use your core to maintain balance. If you're new to handstands, use a wall to help you balance and practice with a spotter. Hold this pose for 5 to 10 breaths, then release and take a break before moving on. The final asana we will practice is the 8-angle pose or Astavakrasana. Begin in a low lunge position with your right foot forward and your left knee on the ground. Bring your left elbow to the inside of your right knee and your right hand to the ground beside your right foot. Bring your left hand to the inside of your right elbow, then press into your hands to lift your hips and bring your left knee to your left elbow. Hold this pose for 5 to 10 breaths, then release and repeat on the other side. I hope you enjoyed this challenging practice on advanced asanas for strength and balance. Remember to listen to your body, use modifications as needed, and make sure you are in good physical condition before attempting these asanas. With regular practice, you should start to notice increased strength and balance in your body, improved focus and concentration, and increased inner stability. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.